Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of She Raised a Crazy Beauty, chapter 41. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Princess Baiman and General Xiaorong. Xiaorong actually gave in. Princess Baiman said to herself. Princess Baiman, now she was thinking. General Xiaorong continued to please her. General Xiaorong said, as long as it's her decision, I'm willing to compromise. Now, look at them. General Xiaorong trying to please her. Also, Princess Baiman, you said so much purpose. You shouldn't want me to go to your house. Yes, but it's all my fault. We shouldn't argue. You know, I will save you and it will take a long time. General Xiaorong said to her, well, what a sweet girl she is. But if you decided to stay with him, I didn't mind waiting. So it turns out she was willing to wait for her, as long as she needs. But of course, right now, General Xiaorong said to her, as long as you are happy. So it turns out her love for her has no conditions. It's only pure love, and she was really willing to wait her until she got freed. It's not a big deal, General Xiaorong said to her, pretending to be relaxed. Of course, she was holding her hands always. Come on, I'll take you back, General Xiaorong said to her. Well, Princess Baiman at this moment, all she can do of course is to follow her. And General Xiaorong is leading the way. You said you would send me back. Where? Princess Baiman is asking her. Aren't we going to your place? Well, looking at her, she looks really serious. Of course, General Xiaorong. She was only looking at her. Where? Where I am. Definitely, she was trying to tease her. But Princess Baiman, she was really serious about it. Yes, let's go to your place. Go to your home. She was really serious. The two of them are looking at each other. Probably General Xiaorong wants to see if she is not joking. Well, General Xiaorong said to her, went to my place. Now, it was clearly she really wanted to tease her. You know that in that village, I won't let you live again. I created the most beautiful thing for you. This is really, really great. A lot of things are bothering on her mind. Of course, General Xiaorong, I'm going to call a carriage. You wait a moment. Oh, it turns out she would really bring her to her home. Let's see on what's gonna happen. Princess Baiman left her, and she will need to wait for her to be able to carriage to get ready so the two of them can leave. Shouldn't go, yes, I know the road. Of course, how should the relationship be controlled? But right now, when she goes to her, what will happen? She's going to be controlled by General Xiaorong. There's a lot of people are gossiping. You heard? It's a big word without a key. The emperor actually gave Dugushan and Xiaorong a marriage, a two women. For the sake of military power, can you treat Xiaorong as a woman? Expectedly, Princess Anle is also a very affectionate person. In order to obtain General Xiaorong, some taxes were handed over. Would be nice to the princess was looking at me. Now, after hearing this, Princess Baiman, what are you thinking about? General Xiaorong said to her, the carriage is here. Let's go. But Princess Baiman continued processing the things that she heard. Right now, she was looking at General Xiaorong. Why my face is so ugly? It is too sunny. But how can I forget about this matter, the marriage of Xiaorong and Princess Baiman? How can you be indecisive? Although there's no position to ask anything but yes. But right now, look at her. General Xiaorong was looking at her, and Princess Baiman was calling her Xiaorong. Do you like me? Now, she really wants to make it sure that Xiaorong loves her and also liking her. Why do you ask? Of course, I like you, General Xiaorong said to her. Right now, of course, she got really worried by the news that Xiaorong would leave her. Is she really afraid by that? Yes, but you like me and also like the flower. Now, it really makes sense. She's being afraid of. She know to herself that in future, Xiaorong would get married on Princess Angle. So, do you like me more or do you prefer flower? Give it up, Xiaorong. Well, definitely. She really want to ask her about this. She is willing to give up everything for her. Give it up because I don't dare to gamble with the AC. No bet that you still keep your heart. After you take that seat, she suddenly asks this meaning. Can I give up my ambitions to climb up? Now, General Xiaorong continued to ask herself, maybe it's not really worth it. If General Xiaorong really loves Paiman, of course, she is willing to do anything, also giving up her position. I want you to be by my side forever, not only to live, but also to live happily. That's what General Xiaorong said to her. But of course, right now, it's just that I can't explain it clearly. She's trying to tell her, but of course, maybe she was really afraid for now. Maybe Princess Baiman, she was really hesitating about this. Accept this, I promise you everything about us. General Xiaorong said to her. Well, now, this is really her promise. Well, Princess Baiman, at this moment, if you insist, I have to leave you. Sure enough, I shouldn't. Ask the exit and I don't have to ask. But of course right now, I won't let you leave me, General Xiaorong said to her. Hurry up. You are too proud. Well, definitely the two of them are getting better. Seems the relationship is getting better. You can believe me more about my heart. Give up. Xiaorong has made her choice. Of course, Xiaorong chose her. She wants to be with her, always and forever. Then, I should also make my choice. What is she going to do? Is she going to choose to live with Xiaorong also? The thing is, this is getting interesting. Let's see on what will happen next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!